Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y97 and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, use a paperclip, turn one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, or right here where the pin is holding. Push it in. Just to show this again. So if you push it in, the tray just slides out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray, you'll have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card, each spot being dedicated to that card. When you place your cards on the tray, carefully insert them back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding these cards in place apart from gravity. And when you insert them, as you can see, they will start working right away. So it's automatically prompting me to insert my SIM card pin, and once I do so, this will unlock the SIM card. And SD card is working as well, which we already have a notification right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.